In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Instagram Reels watch history. This simple feature makes it easy to find Reels you've watched before, even if you didn't like, comment on, or save them. Think of it like a timeline of your viewing activity, similar to how you can see your liked posts or your recent comments. Start by opening the Instagram app, then head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the three-line menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. From there, choose your activity. This is Instagram's central hub for your recent interactions, and it's where you'll find the new Watch History option. Inside your activity, look for Watch History or Reels Watch History. Tap that, and you'll see a chronological list of the Reels you've watched. This list is organized by time, so the most recent videos are at the top, making it quick to retrace your steps. You'll also find controls that let you sort or filter your history by date range or by the creator, which is especially helpful if you remember who posted a reel or roughly when you saw it. If there's something you'd rather not keep in your history, you can remove specific reels from this list. That way, your history stays tidy and relevant to what you want to revisit later. Just review the options presented with each item and choose to remove it when needed. While you're in your activity, remember that you can also check your likes to revisit videos you've interacted with, and you can access your saved folder from your profile to see anything you bookmarked. Between watch history, likes, and saved, you've got 3 quick ways to find videos again. Perfect for tutorials, recipes, tips, or anything you want to rewatch. This feature is designed to help you recover those great clips that slipped by when you were scrolling. If you don't see watch history yet, it may still be rolling out to your account. Keep an eye on the Your Activity section as updates arrive. And that's it. You now know how to locate and use your Instagram Reels watch history to quickly revisit videos you've seen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.